I am at the Thomas Hart residence to do a repair attempt video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this obvious wind damaged shingle right here without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm going to start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. It's not. Now I'm going to make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Okay, now I'm going to remove the wind damaged shingle from the decking. All right, shingle's out. Now I'm going to put it right back in where it was, and I'm going to fasten it to the decking. I'm going to do so using my roofing snake. So I use the roofing snake so I don't have to lift the shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. Okay, got the shingle back in. So, in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. Take a look at the shingle above it. We have a chipped edge here from the roofing snake, chipped edge here from the roofing snake, but we also have a delaminated tooth here, here, and here. This is an issue in repairability because this shingle will come apart into two pieces, deeming this roof irreparable.